Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'll guide you through setting up UDP settings on DroidVPN. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Step 1. Unlock your mobile device and locate the Play Store app. This is where we'll be downloading the DroidVPN application. Step 2. Once in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type in DroidVPN. Then press Enter. Step 3. Scroll through the search results until you find the DroidVPN app. Tap on it to open the app's page, then tap Install to begin the installation process. Step 4. Be patient while the app downloads and installs on your device. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, tap on the Open button to launch the DroidVPN application. Step 6. Upon opening the app, you'll be greeted with the home screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. Step 7. Now, let's focus on selecting the UDP protocol, one of the available options within the app that we'll be configuring today. Step 8. Before we proceed, ensure you have an account set up with DroidVPN. Tap on the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner, navigate to Settings, and log in or sign up if needed. Step 9. Now that our account is set up, let's move on to configuring the UDP settings, adjusting parameters such as ports and connection types. Step 10. Within the UDP settings menu, adjust ports and connection type to your liking, keeping in mind their impact on VPN performance. Step 11. Once configured, connect to the VPN by tapping the Start button. Step 12. Monitor your VPN connection status or troubleshoot issues by checking the VPN log within the app settings. Conclusion. You've successfully set up UDP settings on DroidVPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and until next time.